Securing the attendance of a government official, member of parliament, mayor, senator, minister, or other dignitary can significantly impact the success and credibility of an event. Their presence can attract media attention, strengthen community engagement, increase public trust, encourage stakeholder participation, and demonstrate the importance of the occasion. However, public officials often receive numerous invitations every week, and a poorly written invitation may be overlooked, declined, or fail to communicate why the event deserves their attention. Many organizations make the mistake of sending vague invitations without clearly explaining the purpose of the event, the official's expected role, the significance of their attendance, or the logistical details needed for scheduling decisions. A professional invitation letter helps demonstrate respect for the official's position while providing all the information necessary for consideration. So, here is how to write it. Organization information. Start by writing your organization's contact details at the top of the letter. For example, Bright Future Community Foundation, 1250 Civic Center Boulevard, Phoenix, Arizona 85004, United States 602-5554-821, info@brightfuturefoundation.org. This section identifies the organization extending the invitation and provides contact information for future communication. Date. After the organization details, write the date. For example, June 3, 2026. The date establishes when the invitation was issued and helps the recipient evaluate scheduling timelines. Recipient information. Next, write the official's name, title, and office information. For example, the Honorable Sarah Mitchell, Mayor, Office of the Mayor, City Hall, 200 Government Plaza, Phoenix, Arizona 85003, United States. This ensures the invitation is directed to the correct public official and demonstrates proper respect for their office. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject: invitation to attend annual Community Leadership Awards as guest of honor. The subject immediately informs the recipient of the purpose of the letter and the nature of the invitation. Salutation: address the official using the appropriate title. For example, Dear Mayor Mitchell. Using the correct title is important because it reflects professionalism, protocol, and respect for the recipient's position. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by formally extending the invitation. For example, on behalf of Bright Future Community Foundation, I am honored to extend this formal invitation for you to attend the annual Community Leadership Awards, which will be held on September 18, 2026, at the Grand Civic Convention Center in Phoenix. This opening immediately identifies the event and establishes the purpose of the correspondence. Purpose of the event paragraph. Next, explain the purpose of the event. For example, the purpose of this event is to recognize outstanding community volunteers, celebrate local leadership achievements, and promote civic engagement throughout the region. This section helps the official understand why the event is being organized and why it may be relevant to their public role. Invitation role paragraph. Now explain why the official is being invited. For example, we would be privileged to have your presence as guest of honor. Your participation would greatly contribute to the significance of the occasion and provide valuable inspiration and encouragement to attendees. This paragraph explains the value of the recipient's attendance and clarifies the role being requested. Event details section. Next, provide complete event information. For example, the event is scheduled as follows. Event: Annual Community Leadership Awards. Date: September 18, 2026. Time: 6 p.m. Venue: Grand Civic Convention Center, 800 Main Street, Phoenix, AZ 85004. Expected attendance: 450 guests. Role requested: Guest of Honor. Government officials often review invitations quickly, so presenting the event details in a clear format makes it easier for them and their staff to evaluate the request. Logistics support paragraph. After that, explain that assistance will be available if they accept. For example, should you accept this invitation, our team would be pleased to coordinate any logistical arrangements and provide any additional information required. This demonstrates professionalism and reassures the recipient that event planning support will be available. Closing request paragraph. Now express your hope that they will attend. For example, we sincerely hope that your schedule will permit you to join us for this important occasion. Your presence would be a great honor and highly appreciated by our organization and guests. This paragraph respectfully reinforces the invitation while maintaining a professional tone. Thank you paragraph. Then include the thank you section. For example, thank you for your consideration. We look forward to the possibility of welcoming you to our event. This closing statement shows appreciation for the official's time and consideration, regardless of whether the invitation is accepted. Respectfully yours. Now close the letter properly. For example, respectfully yours, Michael Anderson, Executive Director, Bright Future Community Foundation. When writing to government officials and dignitaries, respectfully yours is a common and appropriate formal closing because it reflects courtesy and professional respect. Contact information. Finally, provide your direct contact information. For example, phone 602-555-4821. Email michael.anderson@brightfuturefoundation.org. This allows the official or their staff to contact you easily regarding acceptance, scheduling, security arrangements, speaking requirements, or additional event details. Before sending your invitation letter, make sure all event details are accurate, the official's title is correct, the requested role is clearly explained, and the date, time, and venue information are complete. Public officials often rely on concise and professional information when making scheduling decisions. A strong invitation letter demonstrates respect, highlights the importance of the event, and clearly communicates why the official's presence would be valuable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.